Hello, today I'll be presenting how SAP IQ gaming can utilize with social media and how this can be beneficial to either colleagues or client. Here on this dashboard, and we call this a profitable player ranking step. And in this step, we're gonna rank each customer, active customer, based on their average bet for each game and what kind of games they're playing and what is the theoretical win, etc. And also based on their location, we're gonna have found out based on each location and based on their casinos and hotels, we're gonna find their different interests, different game they're playing, and how these customers is differentiated with the customers in other locations, or if there's no difference, so we're gonna just have a overall look at their information based on our data stored in our database. And then we're gonna have a list of the most perfect customers and the most loyal and active customers, and then we're gonna use them as our base to find their shared same characteristics, and then we're gonna target them potential customers later on the Facebook promotion page. Here it's just to analyze the hotel performance, and this dashboard can provide insight about the most profitable that revenue code being used or being redeemed, and this we can use this to send the targeted offers to the customers within the same demographics. Also, we can analyze in the seasonal patterns along the year or month or during the holidays. So we're gonna send the similar offer to those customers before the season starts. And here we just tells you how we're gonna create the promotional page or promotional ad or ad campaign on and to target our audience customers on Facebook. Here we have different options, and so you can let you narrow down and to increase the response rate. So for the locations where they're from, which country, which state, and for the age, what is the most happened age we come to the casino and a hotel and to play, and what's their gender and what's their interest. This is very it's a place. This option will allow us to put in like people especially they're interested in gambling, casinos, or luxury products or cars, and which whatever the kind of thing we found based on the last few steps. And here are the connections. This option will allow us we use our own current existing connections or the page we owned, and to direct to show this promotional offer on their page. This option is very important, and because when you are really connected with those customers and you have good relationship with them and they're very really interested into this kind of offers, and so it helps you to increase the revenue. And then we have few other options, and another one is the language, because people come in different countries, and we even have this casino in Macau, and people there they might be talking about different, not just English, they're talking about Portuguese, Cantonese, or Mandarin Chinese, any other language. So we can target only the people who speak those languages. In the workplace, the other categories is whether into like games, casinos, vacation, holidays. So different categories we can narrow down, and we don't need to promote to everybody's page. It will cost us more, and it reduce the response rate. So we want high response rate more correctly. Only those people potentially they're high more chances to accept the offer. This is a different step. This is more like after effect. I mean, after we attract those, send the offer to those customers, and they accept the offer, and they go to the hotel, and they go to play in casinos, and then they're gonna post their experience and their suggestions, their complaints online. And for now, I just collecting samples from the Yelp.com, and based on 8 hotels. The hotels here either collects of current client or major competitors with our client. The point of doing this is give you a quick idea what they're talking about, and in each different cluster, or you can see topics, you can see what's the common word or different thing people they look at when they go to different hotels, what the they're the point they go there for. For example, like people go to Hard Rock, they're for the restaurant. You can see the second cluster, like great restaurants, fun place, and the music and good, cool list. And for we can see the Pearl River, we can see the wedding place and cocktail dinner service. So people go to Hard Rock is when they go for that. It's a fun place. They have great food, but people they will held their wedding ceremony receptions in Pearl River and more. So mention them more when mention the weddings with Pearl River Hotel. So, and also you can see something though you don't see a more like negative sentiment towards each other, but you can see the fact what the really people are talking about for the Foxwoods. Let's see the first cluster. People are just saying when they play the first game, you can see the word table, wait, table, hour. I don't know. So based on this, you cannot just make a judgment call like the play game for an hour. But when I look down deep, like see hundreds of people they're talking about, they're saying they're waiting for table for an hour just to play the game. So if Foxwood is our client, we probably can tell them what they're doing wrong, or because this is 64% of the whole reviews they're saying about this thing. So it's just a point we can tell them probably are not looking at this, or they already realized it they're doing, but it gives us idea to other for example, if a potential customer, and they're planning a trip to going to Foxwood, but when they see a lot of people talking about if they're going for playing a car, they need to wait an hour for the table, probably will just go to other casino to play because they don't need to wait. They don't want to wait. People that don't want to wait. So they just give ideas. So now we can probably do something similar. So when the hotel and the casinos they're trying to promote or send offer, they put on their commercials but that's not the thing the customer they're looking for. So it's a better way to understand how customer think. And here is another example. It's a different than the clustering. It's called a word cloud, but it's a different. It's just easy word by frequency. So the size of the ball, it means it's based on it's the frequency of the word we mentioned in the whole database. So I just take 2 examples here for Hard Rock and MGM, and you can see for Hard Rock they're mentioning about service, food, pool, room, stay, but overall it's a positive. And why is that? Because you can see the good and great. So overall the people towards the Hard Rock is positive. And for the MGM, you can see similar we mentioned words, but you can see also see nice, good, but you don't see great. Oh, you do see great. I'm sorry. So there's another word casino mentioned for MGM, but not mentioned in Hard Rock. So and then everybody knows this Hard Rock is famous for the restaurant. So maybe that's a difference. So it's very obvious, but so this is just the idea of telling. It's a quick way to find out what the difference between two hotels and casinos, and or what is a customer really look into for different places. Thank you.